Kipsters, hi families. Miss Ross is so excited because today is our first day ever doing Number Corner virtually. If you're excited, give me silent assignment. Bring it back in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. So we're going to do something a little bit different once we get to the number of days we've been in schools, because I made a nice hundreds, tens, and ones chart that we're going to have to fill in to figure out how many days have we actually been in school. Make sure you're loud and proud so I can hear you way back at home. Great. Get ready. Thumbs up. Thumbs down too slow. Thumbs up. Elbows out. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Stand one. Ooh, so fast. Months of the year, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. My turn first. Listen to how I said what today is, and then it's going to be your turn. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. One more time, get ready. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Get ready. Today is you all were loud and proud. But I have a question. How many days have we been in school? Count with me. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110. 120. 130. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 131. 132. 133. Get louder. 134. 135. Before we do odd or even, I have a question. How many days have we been in school? Okay, 135 days. 135 days. I'm going to write that number on the board. Let me think. 135. Okay, so it's a 135. Okay, so I see the number 135 has 3 different numbers within the big number. So our big number is 135. But I have this hundreds, tens, and ones chart. I need a little bit of help filling it in. You think you can help me? Awesome. Great. So we know we've been in school 135 days. I want to figure out how many hundreds are in the number 135, how many tens are in the number 135, and how many ones are in the number 135. You said you can help me, so I'm sure you got this, because it's easy peasy. Great. Let's start with the ones. Looking at the number 135, how many ones do you see? Show me with your hands. Show me in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you said 5, you're right. The number 135 has 5 ones because there's a 5 in the ones place. Let's move to the tens place. Looking at the number 135, how many tens are in that number? You can show me with your hands. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm seeing a lot of friends showing me 3. That's right. The number 135 has 3 tens. It has, great. 3 tens is the same as what number? If I have 3 tens, how many is that? Let's count. 10, 20, 30. So now I know 3 tens is the same as 30. 3 tens is the same as, great, last part. So we know the number 135 has 5 ones. It has 3 tens. How many hundreds does it have? How many hundreds are in the number 135? This should be so quick. Show me in 3, 2, and 1. I see a lot of people showing me the number 1, and that is correct. The number 135 has 100. It has 100. Great. So, looking at this number, 135, we were able to break it up into place values. We know the number 135 has 5 ones. It has 3 tens. It has 100. It has, making the number 135. Say, yep, we got it. Great. Now that we know that the number of days we've been to school is 135, I need to know something. Hands up. Is it odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Is the number 135 odd or even? And how do you know? Think about it for 10 quiet seconds. Look at the number. Is the number 135 odd or even? And how do I know? 10 more seconds, counting down. I heard friends say in a complete sentence that they know the number 135 is odd because there's a 5 in the ones place, and they know that 5 is odd. One more time. You all knew that the number 135 was odd because there's a 5 in the ones place, and you know that 5 is odd. Give yourself on the back. Give yourself another pat on the back. And say, yep, we got it. Great. Coins. Get ready. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. A penny's worth 1 cent. A nickel's worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter, 25. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Ms. Ross has a question. What is this called? Okay, it's a dime. How do you know? How did you know it was a dime? Because it's the smallest coin. Okay, it is the smallest coin. How else did you know this was a dime? Oh, because it has a straight line. It has a great. Next coin. What is this called? A nickel, okay. How much is it worth? Show me. It's worth 5 cents. It's worth. How did you know this was a nickel? How did you know this was a nickel? Oh, I see. Because he has a braid. He has a great. 2 more coins. Take 2 more coins. Ooh, my favorite coin of all. This is called a. Oh, you can be louder than that. This is called a. It's called a penny. How much is it worth? It's worth 1 cent. How do we know that it's a penny? Ooh, all my friends at A&T know this is my favorite coin. How do you know this is a penny? Because it's facing the other way. That penny's all up in the Kool-Aid, but don't know the flavor. Last coin. Ooh, this is called a quarter. How much is it worth? Think about the song. Oh, a quarter is worth 25 cents. And how do we know this is a quarter? I know 3 reasons why it's a quarter. Okay, because it has a curl. You're right, it has a curl. Why else? How else did you know this was a quarter? Because it's the biggest coin. Okay. How else did you know this was a quarter? Because it says $quarter. Yep, y'all got it. Oh, my favorite part of number corner. Let me stand on this side so it's easier for you to see. This is our 120 chart, and we're going to practice counting. But before we start counting, make sure you sit up nice and tall, and you're loud and proud, and listen to the directions. I might say be loud, I might say whisper. You never know. It's time to switch count. It's time to count by ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. whisper. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop, switch, count up by tens. 20, 30, 40. Your turn. Stop, switch, count back by ones. I'm going to help you. 120, 119, 118, 117, 116, 115, 114, 113, 112, 111, 110, 109, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 100. Stop, switch, count back by tens. 100, 90, 80. Stop, switch, count up by fives. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Stop, switch, count back by tens. 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Stop, switch, count back by ones. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's count by tens. Get ready. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. This time you're going to count by yourself without Miss Ross's help. Get ready. Count by fives. Get ready. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Your turn. Don't get tripped. Get ready. Almost there. 105, 110, 115, 120. Last part. Get ready. Sit up nice and tall. Make sure you're loud and proud. We're going to count by twos. We're going to count by. Get ready. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Let's whisper. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Get louder. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Your turn. Stop right there. Let's count by tens, but I want to start at a random number. What if I wanted to count by tens starting at 33? If I want to count up by tens, am I going to go down or am I going to go up? If I want to count up by tens, my number needs to get bigger. So on my 120 chart, I'm going to go down. Let's count by tens starting at 33. Count with me. 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103. Ooh, let's start at a different number. What if I want to count up by tens, starting at the number 18? Count with me. 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 108, 118. Let's do 1 Let's count up by 10, starting at 5. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115. Kisses, I want to thank you so much for joining me for our first ever virtual number corner. I can't wait until tomorrow where we compare really big numbers. Bye, Kipsters. Bye, families.